Holy mother effing gosh. Holy crap. This is bad. This is really bad. Yeah. Alright guys, so I was gonna start today's video and we've run into a pretty bad problem. Look at this. The key is not working on the car. Look. And here's probably the worst problem of it all. Carbon fiber covers the keyhole that you would put in to unlock the door in case this happens. Here's the thing, I think I know the problem, but before I have 2 more batteries, let's change them out and see if we can fix this problem because this sucks. And if it is what I think it is, then hahaha. Oh my god. Did I put it in wrong? Please work. Oh my gosh, please, please, please work. Why is this not working? Legit isn't working. Oh, what am I gonna do? And look how horrible the weather is. Look at this. This is Florida. Amazing, horrible. Super windy, but last try, guys. Last try. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Nothing. Literally, and I can't take this off because this is like, I really don't want to take this off. I am literally locked out of the 370 when I was trying to make a video. I don't even know what to do. Here's what I think the problem is though. I took the battery off the key to put into somewhere else for like literally 5 minutes, and then I put it back on the key, but I haven't used the key or the car in like a day. So I feel like the key got like deprogrammed from the car. You know how you have to program a key to a car? I feel like it. Alright, so like I said, I'm thinking that the key got like disconnected from the car. So I gotta learn how to connect it back to the car. But as I was saying, the car has to be on to be able to connect the key to the car. This sucks, bro. I cannot believe this is happening to me. But we're gonna skip this part on learning how to connect it to the car, and we're actually gonna go to the store right now. Hopefully it's not raining horrible. Am I the only guy that when they get in an automatic, I still try to press the clutch? That just happened to me. Anyways, mission beat the rain, get the battery, and come back home without getting wet is on right now. And dang, I'm nervous. Please, I hope the battery just dead. You know what I'm gonna say? Ruben to shut. Just like that, made it to Walgreens. Oh my gosh. Alright. $962 for this? America, what are you doing? We out here trying to get car mods and everything, and I'm spending 10 bucks on 2 little batteries. Bro, this is just ridiculous. We beat the rain, boys. We beat the rain. Time to put the key in. Hope all of you have your fingers crossed right now. I really do. This is the moment of truth right here. Oh my god. And are you kidding me? This is really bad. It doesn't work. Why does my key not work? It's not like I wasn't taking it serious in the beginning, but now it turned into like a whole other level of serious. Damn, this sucks. Alright, so I've been going at it for like at least an hour trying to figure out a way how to take these handles off, but it is not helping. And I was gonna get fishing line and trying to get it, but it is the most awkward positioning I've ever seen. So my dad got a great idea. We're gonna call AAA.
Assistance, press 1 or remain on the line. For maps, triptych.
One hour later.
Finally, boys. Oh my god, my hair's horrible. People are texting me, but finally we freaking did it. But did you guys hear what the problem was? Did you guys? let's get into 370 real quick. By the way, woke up all the neighbors with the cold start and especially with the alarm. I have so many things in my head at times that I don't realize certain things. All right, boys, so if you didn't hear from what I said, I've said that like 20 times. The reason why the car was not responding to the stupid key fob right here was because I was putting the battery in backwards. I was putting the battery in backwards in this stupid key fob. And the reason why I put it in backwards without noticing is because on the key fob, in case you guys ever change it, the logo of the brand goes facing down. On the scale that I use, and I had to I put the battery in that for like a day, I told you guys, the logo goes facing up. And honestly, I deserve all the hosing and roasting in the comment section. So right now, just take like a few 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Oh wait, just comment, just roast me. I deserve it. I really do. Alright boys, it's a new day and he's working. After I accessed the damage, I started to forget about that because that was probably top 5 dumbest things that's ever happened to me. Alright, so when I said I scratched my door handles, I was not playing around. As you can see right there, huge scratch right there. I did some on the side, as you can see, right there. And on this head, the thing that frustrated me the most, look at that, guys. You can see right there, 2 scratches and then 2 scratches in the door handle. Right now we're going to Sebastian's house to help him out. He's installing a new part on the BMW, but before that, we picked up Ryan, the other BMW owner.
So hot.
I know. Every time I come here, it's like Scream City. Oh god. Are you back here? Yeah. Are you so lucky? You got over here garage. I'm good. This is gonna be hard. But anyways, to line up the mood, look how good that looks. Alright, Steve, so what are we changing today?
So we're changing the heat exchanger.
Which is that right there. It's like a radiator basically for other cars, right?
Yeah, it's radiator, heat exchanger.
And we're putting the CSF Ultimate Performance Cooling Race High Performance Off-Road. I don't think I have to say the whole name, but yeah, we're putting this one in. That looks, yo, that is so much bigger than the OEM, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Woo. Got a little rock shield on it too.
Oh, that's so sick. Like this gets like 50 horsepower, right?
Yeah.
So now you're like mid 400s.
1,000 wheel.
That should really cool down the car, especially when it's like 200. Look at that, 200 degrees outside. And turbo cars don't really like the hot weather. Just realized I am surrounded by BMW owners. Where's the Z-Fam at? Like, I need you guys. I need you. True. Yo, it is raining right now. It just started raining. Dude, it stopped raining. It rained for literally 3 seconds. What? No!
It's splashed.
It's splashed on it.
I just showered in coolant.
It's on my phone.
Dude, the owner should very confused.
Alright, now just beat it. You must come out.
¡Ale!
The faster you do, the less the car feels.
¡Afuera!
Alright.
Yo. Sebastian's not gonna heat soak anymore.
Sebastian will never freaking mess with this thing again.
I don't think he's gonna touch his
This is the
BMW
first
anymore.
and last.
So this little thing records the temperature. We're gonna see what the temperature is inside the car. Yo, wait, is this right? It says it's 107 outside.
Ask him if it's right.
That's 100.
Ask him if it's right.
Yo, that's funny. Alright, let's see. Yo, 121 What?
Hit your dash. Hit your dash.
Let's see the dash. 137.
You're getting in that car alone.
I think I'm gonna stay with seat belts.
That's
Hey, we out here, Nissan Life right here.
137.
Wait for it.
He goes, whoa, is that right,
My
man?
car does that
Floor's
too.
100.
Well, you're not cool, Brian.
No, we're not ready.
Get ready.
You want to put the cap on?
No.
No, this is not.
No.
Yeah.
Let me get ready.
Wait, put the cap on, open the screw.
No. It's just more complicated. Oh my god.
Alright, we out. Alright, so I actually just came home to get the camera because As you guys can see, I'm wearing like complete different clothing. Actually got home, had to eat real quick and go to the gym. And I just came back from the gym. That's why the car's like wait, but before we get into anything, I know the car's on, but like hold on. Alright, there's working, boys. It's working. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog, guys. If you learned anything from this video, one, if you're gonna take your key battery off, just make sure you know how to put it back in. Like, you put it in differently in different places. Just don't assume that just because it goes facing up on a scale, it goes facing up on the key fob, or what do we call it? Just don't. And second of all, do not work on BMWs. Oh my gosh, I have the biggest headache from working on Sebastian's BMW. Like, it was bad. It is gonna be pretty awesome though. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's kind of like a vlog with a very, very, very unexpected sequence in it. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Update on the 300 coming soon. Update on the 370Z getting twin turbos very soon. I'm honestly just kidding. That was BS right there. Alright. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I allow you to roast me in the comment section. I deserve it. Honestly, I really do. I messed up, guys. I really did. Ripping the shot. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on to the next one. By the way, I'm going on a cruise from the 29th to the 2nd, but don't worry, I'm gonna have a video of 2 videos up just for you bros. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.